with everybody coming from South Africa, America, Malaysia, Europe. All those people together bring like a very nice mix. I'm Julien Limbach from Belgium. We started to sell and to collaborate with our Chinese partner from Japan because the quality of the machines is very big. We had only the difference between the Italian or American machines. They are pricing very high, and the quality from the machines that we have here in Asia is from a correct price with a very nice product inside. So we went especially to the factory also, and now we do the collab also on the fieras and exhibitions.
So Otex is considered one of the Asia leading hospitality expo. What key trends are shaping the industry in 2026?
Yeah, they're very innovative. There is a lot of creativity. Also, we can pitch some Asian flavors to Europe also, of course, and like the teas and the machineries, like the dispensers, but also like how they work and how they are creative business-wise with their mixes also.
With over 1,000 of exhibitors and global buyers, how does this platform facilitate international business collaboration?
I think it's always a good thing to come and visit your manufacturers, to look and see what you buy, and to have a good understanding. That's why I'm here also. It builds the bond also, and here comes everybody together, and you can share your creativity and also share worldwide with everybody coming from South Africa, America, Malaysia, Europe. All those people together bring like a very nice mix of people with all different kinds of working, and this makes it, of course, very interesting to pitch and to get some new innovative ideas. And I think this is the strength of the exhibition also. And that's why everybody's pulled here also.
Can you share insight into the role of competition forum and live demonstration in driving industry innovation?
Yeah, it's nice that they do a lot of competitions and forums just to show the people what they're capable and what they have like innovative things to do for the next year. It's nice that they do it and that they push the limit every time a little bit further to make it like a very interesting exhibition.